Hello, today I have Audi A6 C6 2008. It's all road. It came with problem, wet interior, blower motor not working. Everything's glowing, but no air from vents. You can adjust, but nothing happens. So I started with Diagnostic. So plug Diagnostic scanner, connect to the AC unit, and looking for the fault codes. So there's first fault code, position motor. It's nothing important. Second fault code for AC pressure sensor, and this active fault codes. This is important, local data bus. So the blower motor controlled from this module with LIN communication bus, and also AC pressure and temperature sensor sends signals to this also using LIN bus. So first of all we need to check if AC pressure sensor showing something or not. So pressure sensor not showing nothing. So first of all, what I'm gonna do is just unplug AC sensor, because it can be broken and it damaged LIN bus messages with short circuit. So let's go to the AC pressure sensor. So AC pressure sensor located down here. You have to remove this plastic cover, and we try to unplug this. I'm using this hook to push fixator, and now this unplugged. So let's try now what we have. Yes, we are cooling. It's blowing air. So it tells us what we have. Broken AC pressure sensor. We can try to delete codes. So one message remaining because AC pressure sensor unplugged. No more message with local data bus. So every time if you have something broken, first start from diagnostic. No need to replace necessary parts, especially blower motor or control module. In this case, it's just pressure sensor. So to change this AC pressure sensor, you have to remove bumper a little bit, or full remove if you want, because there is no room for tool to unscrew this sensor. In my hand this whole sensor is completely cracked. So I install new sensor. So now we can test if AC working or not. So start the car. So our fault is not active. We can clear. Go to the live data. Our refrigerant pressure is showing. So we can turn it on. And now it should increase. Yes, it's increasing. AC regulating. Blower blowing air. Everything okay. Air cold. So everything good. So thanks for watching.